Hi, it's great to see you. I want to remind you that unlimited registration is happening now. If you're watching this, it's happening right now, and it goes until January 14th, 2020. So we're shutting it down on the 15th. We only open registration a couple times a year. So now is your chance. If you're watching this at a different time, no big deal. Check the link below and you can get on a wait list for next time. But I want to go over what makes Unlimited different. So if you're wondering what Unlimited is, it's my monthly membership program where you can come on over. We have over 250 workouts you can do anywhere, anytime, healthy recipes. We have an inspiration theme every month. We have a podcast that we record and give only to members, a private Facebook group, and it's kind of your one-stop shop for everything you might need for your health needs. So a lot of people ask, well, what's different from Unlimited to your YouTube channel? And it's a great question. So I think there's three main big differences. The first is simply the workouts are different. So here on YouTube, I try to give you guys amazing free content. I want that for you. I want people to have it. And I want you to be able to do it at home. And I love that. On Unlimited, you're going to get longer workouts first off. So some of the workouts I put on YouTube, we're going to cut down to little bite-sized chunks, and you might get the longer version over on YouTube, but also over on Unlimited. And then also though, we release 2 new workouts every single month, and many of them are only for Unlimited members and never come over here to YouTube. So basically, if you like the content that here I offer on my YouTube channel, and if you think, gosh, I really want more, I want more variety, I want longer workouts, and I just want more options, Unlimited is a great place to go. So the second thing that we do is offer a monthly workout calendar. So what that means is I take my entire workout library and I put it into a workout calendar just for that month. So if you wake up and you think, what should I do this day? You just go to the monthly workout calendar and you click the link, and that's what you can do that day. And it's put into a place that should give you a very balanced fitness program, meaning we have a leg day, we have an arm day, we have some cardio days, we have a high intensity interval training day, we have a stretch day, and then we always have a rest day as well. So if you're thinking, gosh, I really need to start putting all of this together to give me a really well-balanced fitness program that is going to work in my life and help keep me motivated, and that I don't have to constantly search for what workout I want to do, the monthly workout calendar is really, really handy for that. I actually created that for myself because I used to be in a place where I was just searching and trying to find what I wanted on free platforms. And by the time I probably found it, it was like 20 minutes later and I'd missed half my workout time. So the monthly workout calendar is really, really handy for that. We also, because I'm a physical therapist, I can offer a lot of modifications, and we have a lot of tutorials over there as well that will dive a little bit deeper into helping you with those issues. And then the last thing that I think really makes it different is simply community. So again, I love being here and I love getting into the comments. I love hearing from you guys. So please leave me a comment below. Let me know why you're here, what you're looking for. But we can get really deep into Unlimited. So again, we have a theme every month, kind of our inspiration theme. So for January 2020, it's Explore is our theme. So I release a podcast to my members of me talking about what that theme means. I also do frequently asked questions. And so I answer member questions in that podcast every month. We have a personal Facebook group that people can ask questions and cheer each other on. And I get in there as well. So it's again, a place that we can dive a little deeper, but that you can feel really supported and really safe in your fitness journey. Just for one example, we have a member recently who has been doing great, and she just actually had to be hospitalized for something sudden. She was there for a week. She got out, and one of the first things she did was jump into that group, let us know how she was doing, let us know that even though she had to go through this obviously sudden and kind of scary experience, many of the things she's learned in Unlimited, she could take with her to help her stay at peace and to help her feel like she can get back into her movement routine soon. So those kind of things are really big things I want to cheer on for you. And it's easier for us to do that in a group like Unlimited. So those are the three things, like I said, for me that makes Unlimited a little bit different and worth the extra investment. But if you are here and this serves you in whatever place you are, Thank you for being here. No big deal. Stay here. Do what works for you. That's the most important thing. But if you are looking for something a little bit more, if you're looking for that extra support, if you're looking for some longer, more full-length workouts, if you're looking for a place you can filter all the workouts, where we have a workout page, you can type in, I want a 10-minute workout and I want it for arms and I want it to use light hand weights, but I want it to be beginner, and we're going to pop out a workout just for you for those needs. So it's a really nice place, like I said, to kind of dive a little deeper and to really see what your body can do. Either way, I am so happy to have you here. Thank you for being a part of our community. It means so much to me that I'm able to serve you in this way, and I hope you know you serve me too. So thank you again. And if you do want to learn more about Unlimited, click the link below. Again, you have until January 14th, 2020 to join. We have monthly, 3-month, and yearly programs. So it's really easy to commit and it's really easy to get out if you ever feel like you need to. So jump in there, and if it doesn't work for you this time, maybe it will the next round later on in 2020. All right, I'll talk to you soon.
Thanks so much for stopping by. Remember, subscribe to my channel and you'll be notified every time a new video comes up. Like and comment on this video and let me know what you thought. You can also always come over to jessicavalantpilates.com to find all the resources I have for living a healthy lifestyle, including full-length workout videos, healthy recipes, and a community I would love for you to be a part of. So I'll see you there.